Hey friends, Paul here, midsummer, and here's a good tip for you to know about your window AC. First, you've got your filter here that you've got to clean regularly every couple weeks. But one thing I'm noticing beyond the filter, look at all this crap that's on there, really fine particulate dust. And fortunately, the seam for this case here runs just along there, and I was just able to remove it. So that's kind of a good feature. And I'm also going to take this in my tub and get rid of the spider webs and the miscellaneous beetles and other gunk, including some spot mold up in here. All right, this is nice and clean. Got all the spot mold off there. And let's come in here with the Dirt Devil and see what this can do. There's before and there's after. So it's coming along pretty nicely with the Dirt Devil, except on the bottom and the top. Just coming in here with a knife and just getting all that junk up there. And I can just remove that. This looks much better than it did in the beginning. Just had to get those bits down near the bottom off, scrape those off with the back side of a knife as you saw, and then I pulled them off with just a rag. But I really got in the fins there. Take care not to bend your fins. They're very, very thin, ultra thin. And now I'm gonna put the case back on. These are just screws on the sides, and I'm having to use a very short Swiss Army knife screwdriver because you don't really have much room in here to navigate. All right, friends, we got the AC running again. You notice I've got some wool insulation on either sides here. I typically use packing foam or some other thick foam, closed cell foam, but I don't have any of that at present, so I'm just going with the wool. Remember, this filter on the outside is good for cat and dog hair and stuff and big pieces of lint, but it's not going to capture that fine material that you saw me clean on this video. Very important that you take off your casing once in a while and check that out so your AC runs max efficiency, max cool, max comfort.